Oh, hey everyone, I just got my hands on these Salute to America 250 trading cards. And I gotta say, there's something else. I've been collecting cards for a while now. Baseball, superheroes, you name it. But these, they're in a league of their own. Look at the detail on these. It's not just the artwork, it's the history and legacy they represent. You can tell a lot of thought went into these. And the quality, top notch. They got this glossy finish that just screams premium. Well, here's the real kicker. Word on the street is that these are flying off the shelves. I had to jump through hoops just to get my set. And if you're into the whole investment side of collecting, rumor has it that these bad boys could be worth potentially millions down the line, with their rarity and all. It's a wild thought, right? If you're thinking about grabbing a set, I'd say don't hesitate. From the feel of things, they might be gone before you know it. And trust me, you're going to want to be part of this wave.